Students, in the previous video, you are learned exercise 1.1 in second term, first problem and second problem. Now, the third problem, express the following in meters using decimals. First problem 16 centimeter, second problem 7 centimeter, third problem 43 centimeter, fourth problem 6 meter 6 centimeter, fifth problem 2 meter 54 centimeter. For the given centimeter, convert it as a meter. So we know the formula, we know the note. What is the centimeter? 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. Okay, we got to using that statement. We got to convert 16 centimeter into meter. Students, in your book page number 8, exercise 1.1, express the following in meters using decimals. For 16 centimeter, we want to convert it as a meter. First, you have to write 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. So, we want to find for 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter is equal to 16 into 0.01 meter. So that is, for this 16 multiple with 1, what do you get? Any number multiple with 1, we get the same number. So 16, we need 2 decimal places. So you have to count from the right to left. So that is 1, 2. These 2 decimal after keep the point. So 0.16 meter. The second point, the same way, 7 centimeter. We want to convert 7 centimeter into meter. So that is 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. So therefore 7 centimeter is equal to 7 into 0.01 meter. So 7 multiple with 1, 7. We need 2 decimal places. So that is 1, 2. So 0.07 meter. Students, third problem, find yourself. Fourth problem, 6 meter 6 centimeter. It is a combination of meter and centimeter. So we need to convert it as the given problem, convert it as a meter. So 6 meter, already it is in a meter. So you no need to make any conversion for this 6 meter. So 6 centimeter, we have to convert it as a meter. So that is, first you have to separate 6 meter plus 6 centimeter. So 6 meter taken, right? Plus for this centimeter, how you have to convert it as a meter? 6 multiple with 0.01 meter. So that is 6 plus. So this 6, for now you have to make multiple. For you have to make multiple, these two you get 0.06. So now you have to add these two, what do you get? 6.06. So decimal addition, do you have doubt? For that is, for this whole number, decimal part is 0. So that is 0.06. Now you have to add these two, that is 606. Okay. Fifth problem, try yourself. Next, fourth question, expand the following decimal numbers. We want to write it in an expanded form. According to the place value, we have to expand the given decimal numbers. The first question, fourth question, expand the following decimal numbers. In first question, 37.3. First you take and write the given decimal number 37.3. First you mention the place values, that is, for it is integral part, whole number part, it is a decimal part. Whole number part, normally what we use for place value, we have to denote at the number above. So that is ones, tens. For place value, for this decimal number, we have to denote the place values tens. Next digit is a hundreds. So we have only one decimal place. So for it is 3 tens, 7 ones. 3 tens. Tens means, it is divided by 10. So that is 30. 3 tens are there. So 30 plus 7 plus 3 by 10. This is the expanded form. Second problem, 658.37. Write the given number. Denote the place value ones, tens, 100. For the decimal place side, tens, hundreds. So how many hundreds are there? 600. So 6 hundreds. How many tens are there? 5 tens. So 5 tens means what? 50. How many ones are there? 8. 8 ones means 8. Tens. So that is 3 by 10. Hundreds, denominator we have to write 100. So that is 7 by 100. Like that you have to find for third problem and fourth problem. Fifth question, express the following decimal numbers in a place value grid and write the place value of the underlined digits. Okay, so the first problem 53.61, so that is the underlined digit is 6. 263.271. After the decimal point, read the numbers separately. So 263.271. Underlined digit is 2. Now 17.39. Underlined digit is 9. Fourth problem 9.657. Underlined digit is 5. Fifth question 4972.068. Underlined digit is 8. Okay, we want to draw the place value grid and the underlined digit write the place value. Students, this fifth question, first problem 53.61. Draw the place value grid. So place value grid means what? You have to draw one tabular column. For we need two place values for an integral part. Decimal part we need two places. So that is for ones, tens, it is tens, hundreds. So related to the given problem, you have to write the place values, that is ones, tens. For here tens, hundreds. Next, just take and write the number. How many tens are there? 5. How many ones are there? 3. How many tens? 6. How many ones? Sorry, how many hundreds? It is tens, it is hundreds. So that is 100 is there. So we want to write the place value for this 6. So the place value of 6 in 53.61 is tens. Students, now you have to listen fifth problem. Remaining problems, try yourself as the same method. Okay, so now 4972.068. So we have ones, tens, 100,000. For in decimal part, tens, hundreds, thousand. So related to the given problem, write the place values, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now take and write the values, that is 4,000s, 900s, 7 tens, 2 ones. For how many tens are here? 0. How many hundreds? 6. How many thousands? 8. Okay, we want to write the place value of 8. What is the place value of 8? Place value of 8 in 4972.068 is, for this 8 in which place? Thousands. So the place value of 8 is thousands. Students, next topic is conversions of fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. Fractions to decimals and conversion of decimals to fractions. Students, take page number 13 in your second term book, page number 13, exercise 1.2. Fill in the following place value table. For this is the place value table or place value grid. Okay, for it is the index mentioned decimal form, hundreds, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, for it is 320.157. Related to the column, we have to fill the digits. So that is how many hundreds? 3. How many tens? 2. How many ones? 0. How many tens? 1. How many hundreds? 5. How many tens is 1. Hundreds is 5. Thousands is 7. So like this you have to find for the remaining decimal numbers. So what are the digits are missing? Just take and write in the particular column. Page number 14, second problem, write the decimal numbers from the following place value table. For place values are given, using the place values we have to write the decimal number. So it is, for integral part we have to consider ones, tens, hundreds. So that is 801.562. Okay, next 932.056. Okay, like this you have to find for the remaining columns. Now third question, write the following decimal numbers in a place value table. It is same as place value grid. Listen, the third first problem 25.178. So integral part we have two places. So that is ones, tens. In decimal part tens, hundreds, thousands. So write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Take and write the related digits. 2 tens are there, 5 ones, 1 tens, 7 hundreds and 8 thousands. This is a place value table. Students, in the previous exercise you have learned decimal number to expanded form, So the same way expanded form to decimal number. For the fractions is related to the decimal parts, it is integral part. So that is 2 tens and 1 ones. So that is 21.237. For this is 3.845. For this fractions consider as a decimal part. So that is 6.009. For this is 9 hundreds, 5 tens, 6 ones. So that is 956.03. For it is tens place is missing. So we have to mention that place 0. So that is 956.03. Next one, fifth problem, for integral part is, that is a whole number part is 0. So not mentioned, 0.631. Next, the fifth question, convert the following fractions into decimal numbers. The 7 problems are given. For in the 7 problems, for a second problem, third problem and 7th problem is a mixed fraction. For any mixed fractions are given, you have to convert it as a improper fraction. Then you change it as a decimal number. Exercise 3.2 fifth question, convert the following fraction into decimal numbers. So that is 3 by 10. In the denominator we have 10. So we need one decimal place. Write the numerator, what you have in the numerator. Then for count the digits from right to left. So that is, keep the decimal point is here. So this is 0.3. Second question, 3 1 by 2. For convert it as a improper fraction. 3 2s are, you have to make multiple these two. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. For you have to make the denominator 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Okay, make the denominator as a multiples of 10. So it is easy to convert as a decimal. So now 7 5s are, so this 2 denominator we have 2. So when we get it is a multiples of 10, multiple by 5 both numerator and denominator. So that is 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. Now 35 by 10. Write the numerator value 35. We need one decimal place. You have to start counting from right to left. So that is 1 decimal place, 3.5. So therefore 3 1 by 2 is equal to 3.5. The same way you have to find for third problem. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. This 5 you make it as 10. When you make it as 10, both numerator and denominator multiple by 2. So that is 18 into 2, 36. 5 2s are 10. This is written as 3.6. So 3 by 5 equal to 3.6. Then fourth problem and fifth problem same as the first problem. Fourth, fifth and sixth same as first problem. Then seventh problem is same as second and third problem. For these problems you have to try yourself. Now sixth question, write the following decimals as fraction. 2.5, 6.4, 0.75. For the sixth problem, conversion of decimals to fractions. The first problem 2.5. It is written as a fraction. We have a one decimal place. So without decimal place, take this number. So that is 25. Without decimal, take this number and write in the numerator. So that is 25 by 10. We have one decimal place. So it is by 10. 6.4, it is 64 by 10. For no need to make a cancelling method. No need to use a cancelling method. Next problem is a simplest form. Suppose they are asked the simplest form, you have to make cancel. Otherwise, no need to make a cancelling method. Next 0.75. So without decimal, what is that number name? 75. 75 by, for we have two decimal places, 1, 2. So 100. The seventh problem, express the following decimals as fraction in a lowest form. The previous problem, just we have to make it as a fraction form. Here they asked in lowest form. So you have to make a cancelling method. 2.34. So that is 234 by 100. So make cancel. 2 table is possible. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. 7 2s are 14. By 5 2s are 10. Zeros. 50 times. So 117 by 50. Next this 18. 0.18 is written as 18 by 100. For 18 we have two decimal places, that is 100. So now 2 table is possible, that is 9 by 50. Third question 3.56. So that is written as 356 by 100. So first 2 table is possible. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1 15. That is 7 2s are 14. Then again balance 1. So that is 8 2s are 16 by 50. 50 into 2. Sorry, yes, 50 into 2 100. Then again 2 table, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 9 2s are 18. So it is 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 5 2s are 10. After cancelling we have 18 9 by 25.